Well, this is my Thursday, I think it's Thursday walk. I went all the way to the other side of the area that I usually go to, and I'm right in the middle of the water area, but there's like right here, there's a walkable place, and I like listening to the water. And I thought maybe the dogs might enjoy it. It's like 67. The sad part though, here, let me take that off. Come here. Come here. The sad part is the winds are really, really bad today, and there's a lot of trees that have fallen. And I kind of moved to a spot that weren't making too bad of creaky noise. So we're just going to sit here for a while and enjoy the water, and I thought I'd let the dogs play around the water a little bit. But yeah, the trees, there's so many I haven't ever walked over here, so these might not all be fresh, but it looks like there's a lot of, over by where I usually walk, there's a lot of broken trees, and it's sad. Maybe that's why they've got the pink dots on them, because they're hazard trees or something. That's what I'm thinking. So, but Freya loves water. Oh, good, she's going to take a drink. She loves water. Odin hates water. But we found a nice little drinking spot. I won't drink any, of course. But yeah, it's really pretty back here, and the wind is so bad I couldn't even open all my windows in my apartment because the shades were just going crazy. They only closed so far. But yeah, oh, there's some trees that are going to town. That is sad. So, of course, I would find a nice place to walk to that's beautiful, that the trees are all dying, it looks like. A lot of ferns around here, which, of course, by the water there would be. You can walk in the water. Jeez, Freya. Yeah. You can just hear the trees crash into each other. I mean, there's no signs, like you can't walk here, trees are falling or anything like that, but maybe they're leaving it up to people actually using their own brain. Odin, don't eat that. What are you eating? I don't know what kind of plant that is. Well, stop it. Don't eat that. He was eating some flowers. This is really peaceful down here. She's farting again. Maybe you guys will take a bath, huh? She does sound like a hyena. Odin, get out of there. Okay, there. That should... It's a good spot to listen to stuff instead of hearing you guys. What do you want back there so bad? Oh, look at this big old dead stump. It sounds like a jungle. Wow, that's pretty there. Except for the sad trees. You're gonna fall off that log right into the water, girly. No, we're not going over there, Odin. It's funny, I haven't seen one frog anywhere around here. Odin's a putz. He doesn't like his feet wet. I'd be surprised if you actually went into the water. This would be a good place to read. Get out of there, Odin. Not going inside of a stump. Go back over here. Come on, you're gonna get your feet wet because I'm walking by the water. I don't see anything in this water. I don't even like see crawdads or minnows or nothing. Maybe there's too much tannin. Tannin comes from the wood in these trees, I'm sure. And it can be pretty toxic to things. Come on. Oops, somebody got in some water there. Oh, did you get a little wet? Come on, Freya, this way. Come on. Oh, your thing fell out of my pocket. Oops, can't lose that. Let's go back over here and listen to the water. We came from way up there, way far away over there. Come on, jump. No wonder there's so much wildlife in here. They have water and they have tons of vegetation. Well, down here. No, I don't want to go yet. Come on, guys. Well, it's pretty sad. People leave their junk here, too. Come over here. You can't be, if you fall off of that, you're going to fall right in the water. Yeah, I'd like to go over there, but it's a little too hard to get over this thing. Well, let's see. There's a fence up there with some cars. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a forestry department or something. I'm gonna get the doggies and we're gonna start walking out of here. But I wanted to show you this. I think this is awesome. Just the sound of the water and everything. Come on. Freya thought she's gonna do a jump. There we go. Oh, we got some feet wet, did we? I was trying to figure out how to get down there, but I have to go around that thing there, and everything here is on the fly, let me tell you. So, but well, this is my day, and I hope you have a really nice Thursday, rest of your day, and Friday, and a really nice weekend. So, see you later.